I grew up in a family business, and from the very beginning, the words like integrity, hard work, value, customer service has been ingrained with me from a very early age. We can say we live in a house, but we create a home. And home is where life happens, memories are made, and history exists. The part of the home selling process that comes most naturally to me is probably listening to my clients and being able to zero in on their wants, their needs, their desires, and their expectations. And this allows me to minimize their risk, minimize their stress, while still being able to meet their goals and objectives. There's nothing more important to me than being able to solve a problem for someone and helping them in all aspects of the transaction. I believe I have a natural, authentic way to communicate with people. And I think at the end of the day, my clients feel it. I've had exceptional support systems throughout my real estate career, and Becky has been with me now for nearly a decade. We strategize, we come up with ideas, we're creative, but the bottom line is to try to meet the goals and objectives for the client. My business would not be where it is without my husband. He is an incredible support system for me and probably my biggest cheerleader, most certainly. I would probably say that balance is most important in life, and winding down can often consist of a glass of wine and some cheese and crackers. My character and hard work ethic is second to none. But what I really think it boils down to is having a passion for what you do, loving what you do, being good at it, and never forgetting where you came from. Authentic with a sense of humor, I tend to be a realist, but I'm clear and concise and honest in my communication, always protecting your interests and privacy.